Hello everyone and welcome to Flavorful Cooking. Today I'll be showing you how to make garam masala. For this recipe you would need 2 tablespoons of whole coriander, 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds, 1.5 tablespoons of black cumin, 2 bay leaves, 1.5 teaspoon black peppercorn, 12 to 15 green cardamom, 2 star anise, 3 to 4 small sticks of cinnamon, 12 to 15 cloves, 2 black cardamom, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, and 1 mace. Fry all the spices except nutmeg on low heat until fragrant. Turn off the heat once fragrant. Let it cool, then in a grinder grind all the ingredients and then store in an airtight jar. Garam masala is a popular spice blend widely used in South Asian cuisines. You can use it in curries, lentil dishes, to soups. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.